Alright, all you sauce and gravy lovers out there, get ready for another great episode. This is Johnny Mac with the Sauce and Gravy channel. We're going to do a velouté derivative, an Aurora sauce. Buckle up, let's go. Begin by adding 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, that's 42 grams, to a sauté pan over medium heat. Melt that butter down, but don't brown it. And you'll find that this is a very easy sauce to make, but once that butter is melted, add 3 tablespoons of flour, that's 24 grams. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Watch the heat. If it's a little too high, turn that burner down. Just make sure that you don't burn your roux. And I'd like to take a moment to thank all of you Sauce and Gravy Nation members out there. Thank you for your support. And if you're not a member just yet, smash that subscribe button. It's free and you'll have access to great sauce making tips and techniques. Now that the roux, the butter and flour mixture, have been cooked, it's time for you to add that chicken broth. 2 cups, 500 milliliters, dump it in. And here's a little secret for you that I learned at the Cordon Bleu in Paris. If you have a hot roux, the butter flour mixture, and you pour a cool liquid, the cool chicken broth, you'll have lump-free sauce every time. And it also works the other way around, so if you pour a hot liquid into a cool roux, lump-free every time also. Once you have everything all mixed together, it's time for you to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of white pepper. And if you don't have white pepper, you can use black pepper. I won't tell anybody. Bring this to a simmer over medium heat. As the sauce becomes warmer and warmer, it'll begin to thicken up. Once it coats the back of the spoon and passes the lines test, or is as thick as you like, you're ready to move on to the next step. There's also a version of this sauce out there made with the bechamel, so made with milk. This sauce has a little bit more of a taste. It's made with the chicken stock or chicken broth, and the stock or the broth, it really makes this sauce. So if you have a full-bodied, rich, flavorful stock or broth, use that. It really makes this sauce dynamite. So at this point, congratulations, you've made a French mother sauce, the velouté sauce. Time to transform it to an Aurora sauce. 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, 45 grams, put it in. And you're probably wondering, what can I pour this sauce on? Well, you can put it on veal, pork, chicken, fish, even goes good on eggs. Poached or soft-boiled, or heck, why not? Drizzle it on an omelet. And this is a very versatile sauce. If you wanted to switch out that chicken broth with maybe a vegetarian type stock, you could make a vegetarian type sauce. Or if you wanted to use a fish fumet or fish stock, it goes great with seafood or fish. Options are endless. After you've mixed that tomato puree in, check the consistency of the sauce. See how thick it is. Check to see if you want to make it any thicker. You can always reduce it down, but once it coats the back of the spoon or is as thick as you like, give it a taste, adjust the seasoning, add a dash of salt if necessary, add some more white pepper or black pepper. Alright, so here we go, Sauce and Gravy Nation. The final step. Take the sauce off heat, add 1 tablespoon or 14 grams of unsalted butter. We're going to mount that butter into the sauce. So in a nutshell, that means you're just going to melt that butter into the sauce. It's good to either use a spoon, stir it in, or just use the saucepan and swirl it around and mix it into the sauce. So that, Sauce and Gravy Nation, is how you make an Aurora sauce out of a velouté sauce. Thanks for watching, and keep making gravy, y'all.